All stand up. Hands up, down. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Okay, let's start. We have Igbo language. Our topic today says, learn the use of Ebila. Class, say it. Ebila. In English, Ebila simply means don't leave. Again, don't leave as a verb in sentences. We are going to look into a topic that says Ebila. Don't leave. Let us see it in sentences. Igbo, English. Number one sentence says, Ebila n'ụlọ ochie. Class, say it. Ebila n'ụlọ ochie. Meaning, don't live in an old house. Don't live in an old house. Ebila n'ụlọ ochie. Remember, we use Ebila as a verb to give command. We give it in a negative way. Ebila, don't leave. Another example. Ego, Ebila naanị gị. Again, ego, Ebila naanị gị. Meaning, ego, don't live alone. Ego, don't live alone. Ebila naanị gị. Have you seen it? That we use Ebila, don't live, as a verb to give command in the opposite way. The last one says, Gi Ebila n'azụ. Say it, class. Gi Ebila n'azụ. Gi Ebila n'azụ. Ebila n'azụ. It means you don't live at the back. Don't live at the back. Ebila n'azụ. Ebila n'azụ. It is a command. We use don't live, Ebila, to give a command in the opposite way. Ebila, don't live. Have you seen it that we can use verb to give command in the opposite way? Like and share our videos. Follow us for more. Bye.